How to use Salesforce Marketing Cloud for beginners. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Salesforce Marketing Cloud. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is to simply open your browser and kindly go to salesforce.com. But before that, if you don't know what is Salesforce Marketing Cloud, it is a customer relationship management or CRM platform designed for marketers to create and manage marketing relationships and campaigns with customers, in which it offers integrated solutions for customer journey management, email, mobile, social media, web personalization, advertising, content creation, content management, and data analysis. And aside from that, this platform incorporates predictive analytics to assist in decision making, such as determining the preferred channel for a specific message. And now to sign up on this platform, just click this try free button, or you could also click this login button if you already have an account on this platform. Alternatively, just click this start free trial button, in which upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page. And to sign up, all you need to do is to fill out all of the required information, such as your first name, last name, work email, mobile number, your job title, mobile phone, select your language, then check these boxes, then proceed by clicking Start Free Trial. And after that, you will be directed on this page right here, in which this is the homepage of Salesforce Marketing Cloud. And you could also navigate here some of the buttons or options, such as leads, accounts, tax, calendar, opportunities, and many more. And now starting the homepage, from here it will show you some of the analytics including the closed deals, the data about your plan accounts, grow relationships, to build pipeline, and even your goals. And aside from that, you could also navigate here your events under your calendar. Now to start creating a goal, just click the set goals button, then fill out all of the required information such as the meeting, calls, then proceed by clicking the save button to proceed. So basically, the homepage function in Salesforce Marketing Cloud is customizable and serves as a central hub for users to access various Marketing Cloud apps and settings. So you can see from here, you could also navigate your today's task, and also you can see here your recent records. And by clicking this view all under today's task, you will be able to see all of the tasks that you create on this list. Now moving on, aside from the homepage, you could also navigate some of the section such as this leads section by simply clicking on it. From here, you will see all of the data including your total leads, no activity, the number of idle, upcoming, overdue, due today, and below we can see here some of the leads info such as the name of it, the title, its company, lead status, lead source, its last activity. If you also want to create new leads, just click this new option on the top right corner. And on this pop-up window, all you need to do is to fill out all of the required information right here, including its lead status, the name of it, the title, the company name, phone number, mobile, rating, and many more. Then just click the save button to proceed. So basically, this lead section allows marketers to create and integrate lead capture forms that collect information from potential customers. And from here, if you also want to look or search for specific leads, just click the search bar and enter the name of the leads. Now moving on to account section by simply clicking on it. From here, it will show you the account name, the phone number, and even the account owner alias, which this section is designed for managing and controlling configuration information related to the Marketing Cloud account. To add new account, just click the new button on the top right corner. And from here, all you need to do is to fill out all of the required information to add new account, such as the account information, additional information, and many more. Now moving on to the other section, you could also navigate here the contact section, in which from here it will show you your total contacts, activity, no upcoming number, overdue, due today, and below it will show you the details such as the name of the contacts, the title of them, their account name, as activity, and you could also call them or email them directly in here. And to add new contacts, just click this new button, and all you need to do is to fill out all of the required information, then proceed by clicking the save button to proceed. So basically from here, contacts can be managed, segmented, and targeted based on the behavior, preferences, and demographics. Well, by clicking the opportunities option from here, you will be able to see the details including the opportunity name, the account name, stage, close date, and even the opportunity owner, in which basically the opportunities are typically associated with Salesforce Sales Cloud. And to start creating or adding new opportunities, just click this new button. And after that, on this pop-up window, all you need to do is to fill out all of the required information such as the opportunity info, system information, description info, and many more. And aside from opportunities, you could also navigate here the calendar, which it is primarily used for planning, coordinating, and executing marketing campaigns by displaying all scheduled and past interactions in a weekly or monthly view. And by simply clicking any of the date, it will show you a pop-up window to create new event by filling out all of the required information, including the name of the event, the location of it, the start date, and the start time, the type of it, description, and many more. So basically, the calendar allows users to add campaigns or events, making it easier for marketers to manage their workload and ensures that campaigns are executed smoothly. By using calendar section, marketing teams can stay organized and align, improving the overall effectiveness of their campaign. And aside from calendar, we could also navigate here the forecast section, in which it serves the purpose of predicting and planning future sales or marketing performance based on historical data, trends, and market conditions. And we could also see here the amount of quota that we need to achieve for this month. And below here, it will show us other details, including the opportunity name, the account name, the amount of sales, the close date, stage, probability percentage, and many more. So basically, by utilizing forecasting tools within the platform, users can make informed decisions, allocate resources effectively, set realistic goals, and develop marketing and sales strategies. Now moving on to the dashboards option. From here, you will be able to see your recent activity, the private dashboards, all the folders that you've created, which the purpose of this dashboard section in Salesforce is to provide real-time data, insights, and performance metrics to sales and revenue teams. And on these reports, if you want to create new reports, just click this new report button, in which upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page, which is the report section. And to create new report, on this pop-up window, all you need to do is to select the kind of reports that you want to create and fill out all of the required information to proceed. And aside from that, you could also navigate here the codes section, in which it is helpful to manage and display codes which are used in the sales processes to provide pricing and product information to potential customers. Now moving on to this task section. This section serves the purpose of managing and organizing tasks, which are individual actions or activities assigned to specific users within the sales process. And to create a task, just click this new task option. And in this pop-up window, all you need to do is to fill out all of the required information such as the subject, assigned to, the due date, comments, and many more. Then click the save button in order to save the task. And aside from those options, you could also navigate your profile. And if you also want to customize other settings, you could click this settings option below here. Then you will be directed on this page. From here, you can see your personal information, your email settings, chatter, email notifications, calendars and reminders, desktop and add-ons, and many more. Basically, these settings provide users with the ability to customize and manage their various aspects of their account. And also by clicking these 9 dots on the top left corner, you'll be able to see here some of the apps or applications such as Sales, Inside Sales, Sales Leader, Success Manager, and many more. And to see some of your notification by clicking on this notification icon on the top right corner, you'll be able to see here the real-time alerts and updates to users regarding important events, actions, or changes within the platform. That is just basically how you can use Salesforce Marketing Cloud for beginners. Thank you.